To change the port of Jenkins, follow these steps. Access Jenkins configuration. Log into your Jenkins instance at http localhost 8000 or the current port configured. Modify Jenkins configuration. Update Jenkins config file. Jenkins configuration is stored in the Jenkins home directory. Navigate to the Jenkins home directory. Locate the Jenkins.xml configuration file. Open the Jenkins.xml file. Edit the port. Find the HTTP port entry and modify the port number. Save the changes. Restart Jenkins. After making changes, restart Jenkins to apply the port change. Using environment variables. You can set the port by modifying the environment variable Jenkins port in the Jenkins service. Edit Jenkins service file. Locate the Jenkins service file. Set environment variables. Add or modify the environment section. Restart Jenkins. After making changes, restart Jenkins.